Welcome and thank you for watching. I'm Chef Christy and I have a very special guest with me today, my niece Kaylee, and we want to show you how to make a quick and delicious Salisbury steak. Now Kaylee is with me today because this is one of her favorite meals and she wants to help me show you how to make it. So give us a thumbs up and let us know that you like our video, and also hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell. That way you will know as soon as I upload a new video. So we have a few ingredients here, but this is so simple and delicious. Are you ready to help me get started?
Yes, I am.
All right, great. Here we go. Okay, to a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 2 pounds of ground beef and a half of a cup of dried breadcrumbs, a fourth of a cup of milk, and then I have 1 egg, and then I have a package of the Lipton onion soup mix, and I'm going to add about a half of the package into my meat mixture, and then the other half will go into my sauce. And then my seasonings are 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, a teaspoon of pepper and salt. I'm gonna add that. And so then all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix this together, and then me and Kaylee are gonna form patties, and then we're gonna fry them up, but I'll show you how we do that. Okay, to a nice hot cast iron skillet, I've added 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'm just gonna place my patties in my skillet, and this did make 7 patties, and so I'm probably going to have to make these in batches, but that's okay. I'm probably going to do like 4 and let these cook for about 5 minutes on each side, flip them, and then on the other side, and then put the other ones in, but I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Okay, this is my second batch of the patties, and I'm going to just flip them, show you the nice pretty caramelization on them, and these will cook another couple minutes, and then I'm going to make a sauce and put the patties back in it, but I will show you. Okay, I just removed the patties, and now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of butter, and to that I have about a half of an onion that I've cut julienne. I'm just going to add that to my skillet. And I'm going to stir this all around just enough to get these onions to soften. So I'm going to let these cook for a minute or so, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, my onions have been cooking, and they're nice and soft, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a fourth of a cup of flour, and I'm going to let this cook just for a few seconds, maybe a minute, maybe, just to let that flour kind of cook out before I add my beef broth. But I think that's good. So now I'm going to add 3 cups of beef broth, and this is what's going to make a nice thick gravy. But if you did not want to use the flour, you can always substitute flour, and you can use the cornstarch as a thickener. So I'm going to stir this around, and then I have 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and then the other half of my packet of the Lipton onion soup mix. So I'm just going to let this cook for a minute, and then I'm going to add those patties right back in here, but I will show you how to do that. Okay, so I've got my sauce, I've stirred it all together, and now I'm just going to drop these patties right in this sauce. Just going to lay them in the sauce, and then I'm going to cover this and let it cook for about 15 minutes, and I'm going to add that juice. That always add my juice to my plate, for my plate, because that adds flavor. So I'm going to cover it and let this cook for 15 minutes, and then they will be done. So I will let this do that, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, the Salisbury steak has been cooking for about 20 minutes. covered. I just uncovered it, but look at that delicious bubbling gravy. Yum. All right, our Salisbury steak is finished. Are you ready to try this, Kaylee?
Yes,
Okay, so I'm gonna plate up a piece of Salisbury steak. You got one you picked out here you think looks good? That one looks good, doesn't it? All right, so we gotta get some gravy. Actually, let me get a different spoon so that I can get some gravy for you. Ta-da! Does that look good? All right, I'm gonna get myself a piece. And this took 30 minutes to do. So this is a quick meal, and I have got on my plate the garlic and bacon green beans, and I'll put the link below with the video that I make that, and so that you can see how that is made. And then I have mashed potatoes on the side. So this is super delicious. Are you ready?
All right.
Let's try this and see what we think.
It's not hot.
Is it too hot?
Might be.
All right, here we go.
That's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, well, thanks for watching. We had a good time today cooking, didn't we? I can let you take that bite. if you
Yeah.
want. It is hot, and we just got it out. But, that's good. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you try this recipe. It's delicious. It'll be in the link below. If you click the little arrow, it should open up the description box, and that's where you will find the recipe. So, as always, it's been nice cooking for you today, and I'm so glad that Kaylee got to join me, and I will see you soon.